Okay, in this video, we're going to solve this system of equation right here, and we're going to use the elimination method. Now, I call this type 3 two-term multiplication because we can't just multiply one equation by a whole number to eliminate the other equation. Like this is 2x, this is 5x. Yeah, you could multiply by 2.5, but that's just kind of messy. Likewise, this is negative 3y, this is 4y. Yeah, I suppose you could multiply by 4/3, but again, you're just going to deal with messy numbers. So in this kind of situation, we need to manipulate both equations. So I'm going to choose to eliminate the x term. I can do that if I multiply this entire equation by 2. And if I do that, this becomes 10x. So I need to eliminate 10x. So this piece right here, we need to get it to be negative 10x. So we'll multiply by negative 5. So 5x times 2 will give us 10x. 4y times 2 will give us 8y is equal to 8 times 2 is 16. Likewise, 2x times negative 5 will give us negative 10x. Negative 3y times negative 5 will give us 15y is equal to negative 6 times negative 5 will give us 30. And so now we can combine 10x minus 10x. When you combine them, you get 0, so it gets eliminated. 8y plus 15y will give us 23y is equal to 16 plus 30 will give us 46. Now this is saying 23 times y. We need to do the opposite of multiplication, so we need to divide. So divide by 23, divide by 23, and so y is equal to 2. And we can box in this answer. Now to get x, we can choose either the first equation or the second. I'm going to go ahead and choose the first. And so we have 5x plus 4y. Instead of saying y, we know y is 2. So let's replace y with 2. So 4 times 2 is equal to 8. And so we have 5x. 4 times 2 will give us 8. So plus 8 is equal to 8. And so now we can subtract 8 on both sides. And so we'll have 5x is equal to 0. At this point, you can go ahead and divide by 5, and we know x is equal to 0. Now, it's always a good idea to check. So we need to plug into both equations. 5 times 0 is 0. 4 times 2 is 8, so it matches. Likewise, 2 times 0 is 0. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6, and so it matches. And if you want more practice, check out the description box.